Same intro. What's up? How's it going? Oh man, I'm getting old, bro. Getting old. But that's a beautiful thing. What's up? My name is Percy Mescorti. Most people on the internet call me Zosh, but today you can call me Tuned 2420 Zosh, and I'm here to pledge allegiance to the bag. I figured I'd start this year off right with a pledge allegiance to the bag intro. But now it's time. It is just time, that's all. Today is in fact Tune Day. If you don't know, if you're new to the channel, this is a 2420, pretty much stock everything, stock cam, stock block, stock top unit, 24A bottom end. It's about to rain?
Feeling raindrops.
But this is a bone stock bolt-on 2420. When I was full 24, I made 245 on E. So hopefully now we'll make around like 260. I don't know, my exhaust might restrict me from that power because I am running a 2.5 inch Buddy Club Spec 2 exhaust. And that will hold me back from a little bit of power, but this motor definitely has 260 in it. It just depends on how good that damn exhaust will allow it to, you know, do that for me. We're going to be linking up with Randy and Fred. Fred's tuning his daily, which is an EM1. And Randy just wants to forward because, well, why not, bro? Dyno days are always fun. So we're at Randy's house. Randy's in his RSX. Fred lent me his computer so I can test to see if my flex fuel sensor and stuff working. I have no check engine light codes, but however, it's saying that's not accurate right now. 99%. That, yeah, bro. That's not right. So I don't know what's going on. Yeah. I don't know. Well, if anything, I just tune on full E85 and then hopefully, hopefully something. I don't know. All right. So I pulled up to the dyno and I pulled right in. So ain't no cinematography. We're going right to the business. Right to the business. Happy New Year. All right. Hubby's in the seat. About to do that thug dizzle. See what you can do. I'm nervous. Wow. Fred the GOAT, dog. My man got Slim on him.
Hey, brother.
Yeah.
Good?
Yes, sir.
How's the holidays?
Great. much was that?
You got a lot of room on here, though.
Yeah, it's a lot of more room.
Got a little dip right there.
Yeah.
Clean up. We'll probably put some time in.
Yeah.
Car runs hot, huh?
What?
Belt warm delivered?
Huh?
The belt warm. High up, high RPM, high spot. That shit had a wave. The belt. You saw it? Yeah. It had a warm.
I don't know.
It did, yeah.
Same thing? Yeah, 250.
Not the same. It was 65.65 to 1.5, but you riched it up a little bit down here.
Huh? 250. Woo, it's about to get dirty outside. But Christina's at 250 right now. And 200 foot-pounds of torque. Which isn't too bad. 2.5 inch linear power. I think, bro. But yeah, it's 2.5 exhaust. Probably would have made more power since I have a better flowing head. I definitely make more power if I had a bigger exhaust. But I don't care for power. I just thought I would make 260. I really assumed that I'd make 260 with a 2.5 inch, but that ain't it. Last one? You got last one? I think he's gonna see about the timing. Went up a little bit. It's still 250, but it's like instead of 16, it's 0.86.
That's all she wrote. 65. That's the highest one.
Yeah. That's all she wrote, Javi. 250. That's good though. 250, solid.
What size is the exhaust?
2.5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think it's worth the money.
Yeah, I wouldn't. No, I'm keeping it just how it is. Yeah, I like how it is.
Unless you got a hookup and you get 3 inch.
Yeah.
It is still gonna be loud regardless.
Yeah. True. It's lighter. I just care for that it's lighter.
What the?
This exhaust is way lighter than that 3 inch I had. Way lighter.
The yellow one was full steel?
It was full, bro. So with a 2.5 inch, save weight somehow I can, any way I can. Yeah.
It's not a Porter RBC, is it?
Yeah, it is. But not the runners, just the inlet. Oh, yeah, nah, just it's bored out to 70 to match the throttle body. That's all.
Maybe that's another RBC.
Yeah, bore out the RBC. You do small shit like that, and then I was planning on.
You guys get all these good numbers because they do every fucking thing.
Yeah,
it's just everything's money. To support that manifold's 250. The exhaust is how much? A stainless steel, so you can make it light. You know, another $300 for what? 10 horsepower?
Yeah.
You know, you're spending $500 for the amount of horsepower. Doesn't make sense.
Yeah. Tracks.
In my opinion.
Nah, true.
Some people do it, you know.
Turbo on that bit.
Maybe.
Different story.
Maybe.
But since you do like autocrossing stuff, I wouldn't turbo.
Well, I don't do autocross.
Well, whatever. Parking lot crossing.
Not even that. Roll course, dog. I'm on a track, son. Disrespecting me.
I told him superchargers, bro.
Oh, that's gonna be fun. Fuck yeah.
Supercharger?
That's instant power, bro.
Yeah.
Around the bends, out the
You
bends.
gotta do Craftworks.
Craftworks.
Yeah.
That's instant power, dog.
Yeah.
That's what.
That's a lot of fun. That's 300 plus right there.
Alright. Freddie Bun Bread is up next.
That's that low life, man.
You want me to get in it so it can be lighter?
Oh, fuck you.
I wasn't even trying to talk shit. That's the point. I wasn't even trying to talk shit.
Fred, after today, you're not friends with him anymore.
I ain't recording swap. I ain't recording.
I got to steal his content now.
Hell, bro, you gonna steal my shit, dog?
He ain't even vlogging the runs or nothing.
I don't like
Nah, you love that exhaust, bro.
it. No, it's too loud, bro.
Too loud. That's perfect.
You gotta stop in.
He got a friendly club exhaust, man.
I got an Amazon special, bitch. I got DNA.
2.5. Wow, bro.
That bit running.
So you
though.
are vlogging?
No, I'm not.
Yeah.
Only because you said something, but now I feel like doing it.
Because you saw soft vlogs, you're trying to steal your content now.
Yeah, you a bitch, bro.
He trying to steal the content I'm stealing from him. Wow, that's crazy.
Go home and check.
Next up, us making 5 and some change. Man, thing is nice.
¿En qué cambio estamos haciendo ya? ¿En tercera o cuarta?
Prize feet, streetcar gang, bro. Thing is mint. I'm at Randy's house. My throttle body is sticking a little bit, and I'm not having joy with that right now. And it only starts sticking once I put the car back together, but I took off the throttle body, so I'm assuming, well, I already know what I messed up. I just gotta fix it. You maybe can see it from on the camera, but there's a spring down there that's not clamped on properly at all, and I'm thinking that's causing me to stick. The throttle cable is not tight. Like, maybe it's too loose. Nah, nah. Yeah, so I'm gonna take my disc off and get a throttle body off, and I should be good. Living my life like it's golden. Living my life like it's golden. My problem ended up being that my hybrid racing throttle body cable not cable, but the bracket snapped off. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's see if you can see it on there. So, nah, you guys can't see it. You guys can't see it. But luckily, Randy still had his old hybrid throttle body. So I'm just gonna run this one until now, until I can find a new hybrid racing throttle body. Ain't nothing wrong with it. I just don't like, this right here just tacky to me. And I don't like, it's just tacky to me. I don't like that. So I'm putting the car back together. I put the map plug on a TPS and the TPS plug on a map, and I just fried the map sensor because it only requires 0.5 volts. I just gave it a full 12 volts, and now it's fried. I know there's no pulls in the video. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Look, man. After I left Randy's house, I went home. I was like, oh, damn, I didn't film any pulls of the tune and none. Like, I know. And the ECU that I use to tune is Fred's ECU. I'm having ECU issues, so I'm waiting to get my ECU back from Hyundai. Yeah, my car is undrivable right now. I don't know if I'm gonna make it to the firm. I don't know. It's a lot going on right now, dog. It's a lot going on right now. But I hope you enjoyed this video, man. You guys can see how much power you can make on a stock 2420 if you have a 2.5-inch exhaust with a skunk 2 alpha header with TSX cams and BTC 50-degree gear and Type S pump. You see this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. I feel so disgusted with myself because I really wanted to have pulls in this video. Like, I wanted this video to be hype, like hype, son, like, yeah. But hey, I can only get better from here on out. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy the video, leave a dislike on the video. I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of you guys. I hope you guys had a fantastic day / New Year / whatever year it is in your mind. I'm living in 2046. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace. Shout out to Hobby. Hobby the GOAT.